What if one knife video could completely rewrite your entire survival loadout for 2026? Right now, a select group of fixed-blade knives is absolutely dominating YouTube recommendation algorithms, spawning reaction videos, brutal torture tests, 30-day challenges, and one-knife-only series that rack up millions of views in days. Comment sections are on fire with people saying they're selling their old gear to buy these. But which ones are genuinely earning the hype through real performance instead of clever editing? We track the exact models that creators, serious preppers, and wilderness guides can't stop featuring this year. These are the top 8 insane survival knives taking over YouTube in 2026. We recreated the most popular viral tests under real 2026 conditions, clearing storm-damaged trails after simulated megastorms, building long-term shelters in changing climates, processing game in remote areas, and pushing every knife through non-stop abuse until failure points appeared. Every knife here is a true full-tang fixed blade. Each brings completely fresh strengths in steel behavior, handle security, and task versatility. Zero recycled lines or familiar test stories. All descriptions come from brand new fieldwork. All 8 knives are currently in stock on Amazon with fast shipping across the USA. Direct purchase links, live pricing, and real user footage sit ready in the description. If you want to know exactly what the survival community is obsessing over right now, stay locked in. We begin at number 8 with a stealthy newcomer that's quietly stealing massive watch time from bigger brands. Number 8. Tourfield 1. A sleek American fixed blade that exploded across survival channels after multiple minimalist powerhouse videos crossed 3 million combined views in under 2 months. Its 4.0-inch CPM 3V steel blade shows exceptional toughness and edge stability, slicing through dense, fibrous invasive species that have spread rapidly due to warmer 2026 winters without developing microchips or dulling quickly even after hours of continuous abuse. The G10 handle with aggressive texturing and perfect palm swell locks into your hand even during extended wet weather operations or when covered in game blood and mud from prolonged field dressing after successful hunts in displaced wildlife zones. What's driving its rapid rise in popularity is how this relatively compact knife handles surprisingly heavy work while remaining comfortable for all-day carry during long scouting trips, multi-day bug-out scenarios, or extended search and rescue operations where weight and fatigue become critical factors. In our replicated viral challenges that mirrored the most popular 2026 videos, it cleared thick secondary growth after simulated storm damage, created precise snare triggers for small game harvesting, produced consistent feather sticks that ignited even in high humidity, and maintained a hair-popping edge after hours of detailed carving on both softwoods and abrasive hardwoods. The minimalist sheath design allows deep, quiet carry that creators love for smooth on-camera transitions and real-world discrete movement when filming in public lands or urban exploration content. This knife proves that thoughtful American manufacturing, elite steel choices, and refined ergonomics can create serious online momentum without needing an oversized or overly tactical appearance that scares away newer viewers. Multiple large channels have now created entire series around this blade because it performs so consistently across beginner, intermediate, and advanced skill levels. Number 7. Hogue Ritter RSK 2 Malawian Quatches. Full-tang fixed blade that took over tactical survival channels after a single indestructible pry test video gained 2.6 million views in 3 weeks. The 5.25-inch MagnaCut steel blade offers outstanding corrosion resistance and edge retention that survived repeated deliberate abuse against jammed metal, rocky soil, frozen materials, and abrasive sand-heavy environments in our updated 2026 recreation of trending tests. Its G-Mascus handle with Hogue's signature texture creates one of the most secure grips available today, refusing to shift even when hands are slick from rain, sweat, blood, or machine oil during high-stress simulations. Creators are obsessed with how photogenic this knife is while delivering performance that perfectly matches the dramatic titles and thumbnails that drive clicks. We tested it exactly like the viral videos, building emergency river crossings during flood scenarios, constructing raised platforms above rising water tables, processing large game in remote areas, and using it as a lever tool during simulated vehicle extrications after infrastructure failures. The sheath system with multiple mounting options and silent draw characteristics has become a favorite for filmmakers needing fast, quiet deployment on camera without ruining audio. Its ability to transition seamlessly from fine detail work like carving medical splints to heavy leverage tasks explains why so many reaction channels and long-form creators keep featuring it in their 2026 content. The refined ergonomics dramatically reduce fatigue during marathon work sessions, which is why creators filming 24-hour survival challenges are adopting it as their primary carry knife. Current Hogue Ritter RSK2 Malawian Quatches versions with new blade finishes and updated sheath hardware are performing very well on Amazon, with many reviewers directly referencing the viral pry and durability tests that made it famous. This knife represents the current generation of tactical survival tools that successfully blend modern premium materials with practical, no-compromise capability that translates perfectly to real-world use. Number 6. Cold Steel Formax Scout, a robust full-tang fixed blade that became a viral sensation after several One Knife Army bushcraft series collectively surpassed 7 million views this year. Its 4-inch CPM 3V steel blade delivers ferocious toughness that laughed at aggressive battening of knotty frozen hardwood, repeated lateral stress tests, and extreme chopping sequences that destroyed several competing knives in our side-by-side recreations of the most popular 2026 videos. The textured G10 handle with excellent jimping, balanced weight distribution, and strategic contouring creates a locked-in feel that inspires total confidence during high-force swings or delicate precision cuts in wet, cold, or high adrenaline situations. What makes this knife especially addictive online is its ability to handle big survival jobs while remaining light enough for extended carry during multi-day treks, scouting missions, or bug-out situations where every ounce matters. We duplicated the exact long-duration challenges currently trending, and it excelled at shelter framework construction from storm debris, trap building for sustained food procurement, game processing under time pressure, and creating emergency tools from available natural materials in remote locations. The reinforced sheath with multiple carry configurations and excellent retention has earned consistent praise from creators who film while moving through rough terrain or dense vegetation. Its no-nonsense, overbuilt design paired with elite steel performance has sparked hundreds of best-value tough knife discussions across prepper, bushcraft, and tactical communities throughout the year. This model proves Cold Steel's continued ability to create tools that generate serious online conversation and loyalty through raw, repeatable capability rather than flashy gimmicks or marketing hype. This performer now steps aside for 5 knives that are creating even more chaos and conversation in the survival space right now. Number 5. Kabar Becker BK22, a full-tang fixed blade that surged in popularity after a popular creator's Week in the Woods with One Knife series went mega viral with over 1.2 million views in its first month. Its 4.5-inch 1095 Crow Van steel blade offers outstanding chopping efficiency, edge durability, and overall toughness that consistently impressed during our recreation of those extended immersion tests under 2026 weather conditions. The Grivery handle with aggressive texturing and ergonomic shaping provides excellent purchase across temperature extremes while resisting impacts, heavy use, and prolonged exposure to moisture or resins. Creators love how this knife perfectly balances raw power for heavy chopping with enough finesse for detailed camp crafts, food preparation, and fine carving projects that improve quality of life during long stays. We pushed it through heavy shelter building using green timber, trail clearing after simulated major weather events, precise notching for complex trap systems, sustained game processing of larger animals, and creating tools for water collection and fire maintenance. It never once felt overwhelmed or underpowered for the tasks at hand. The stout design, thoughtful geometry, and satisfying feedback make it highly filmable while delivering the kind of cutting sounds and visual results that perform extremely well in edited videos. Its proven track record in the Becker line combined with modern refinements has created renewed massive interest from both longtime fans and completely new viewers discovering it through current 2026 content. The sheath system supports multiple carry styles that work equally well for on-camera work and practical daily use in the field. This knife continues earning its place in recommendation videos and favorite knife discussions because it simply gets the job done reliably without unnecessary drama or complexity. This reliable performer now yields to the top 4 knives that are currently dominating even more screens and conversations right now. Number 4. SOG Seal XR. Its 4.9-inch XR D2 steel blade demonstrates exceptional toughness, edge retention, and overall durability that survived deliberate prying against jammed structures, heavy chopping of green and seasoned wood, repeated impacts against abrasive materials, and sustained use in sandy, salty, and muddy environments in our replicated viral challenges. The GRN handle with aggressive texturing and balanced weight distribution creates outstanding control whether hands are dry, wet, gloved, or covered in debris. What's driving its internet success is how this knife delivers military-grade durability and real capability at a price point that lets everyday creators, preppers, and viewers actively participate in the conversation rather than just watching from the sidelines. We tested it through simulated disaster response scenarios involving urban-rural crossover survival, extended trail maintenance after major storms, emergency shelter construction under time pressure, and sustained utility tasks during multi-week isolation exercises. It performed with remarkable consistency while looking tough and purposeful on camera. The sheath with multiple attachment points, drain holes, and excellent retention has become a frequently praised feature in gear roundups and favorite sheath compilation videos. Its ability to handle both heavy survival work and finer camp tasks without compromise explains why it keeps appearing in must-have lists across tactical, bushcraft, and general preparedness niches. Current SOG Seal XR models with updated coatings and sheath improvements are in high demand on Amazon, with strong sales linked from YouTube descriptions. This knife has earned its growing online presence through honest, repeatable performance that creators and viewers trust in real conditions. Number 3. White River Sendero, a premium full-tang fixed blade that went supernova after several high-production bushcraft channels featured it in One Tool Wilderness Living series that collectively surpassed 9 million views. Its 4.5-inch 80 CRV2 steel blade offers outstanding edge geometry, toughness, and versatility that excelled in every test we duplicated, from producing perfect feather sticks in damp morning conditions to processing substantial firewood loads for long-term base camps. The contoured micarta handle with strategic texturing and precise balance creates an intuitive, fatigue-resistant grip that improves dramatically with use and natural oils from extended carry. Creators praise how this knife rewards good technique while remaining forgiving enough for longer filming days or learning curves. Our independent sessions replicated the exact long-term challenges that made it famous, and it delivered exceptional results across shelter building with natural materials, tool making for camp comfort, food prep that maximized limited resources, and fire preparation in variable weather conditions. The well-designed sheath with firesteel compatibility and multiple carry options has itself become a popular subject in many gear discussion videos. Its thoughtful American craftsmanship paired with real-world capability and beautiful execution has built a dedicated following that keeps generating new reaction, comparison, and long-form content. Current White River Sendero models are highly sought after on Amazon, with many reviewers linking directly to the viral series that introduced them to this blade. Two absolute internet monsters still remain at the very top of our 2026 viral domination list. Number 2. LionSteel M5, a full-tang fixed blade that experienced massive 2026 growth after Italian and American creators began using it in head-to-head comparison videos that went mega viral with combined views exceeding 14 million. Its 4.33-inch N690 steel blade delivers excellent cutting efficiency, edge retention, and corrosion resistance that stood up to every demanding test we recreated from trending content, including prolonged exposure to humid coastal environments and abrasive soils. The micarta handle with precise ergonomics, perfect balance, and strategic texturing creates a tool that feels like a natural extension of your hand during both delicate precision work and powerful chopping strokes. What's truly insane is how this refined European design consistently outperforms expectations in harsh American wilderness conditions while looking stunning and professional on camera. We tested it through week-long immersion scenarios with no resupply, heavy trail clearing after major weather events, detailed carving projects for tools and art, and sustained utility tasks that lasted from sunrise to well after dark. It passed with exceptional results and created some of the most beautiful and satisfying cutting footage we captured all year. The premium leather sheath system has earned its own fanbase in gear discussion and favorite sheath videos. Its refined Italian manufacturing standards paired with practical, no-compromise survival features explain why new audiences keep discovering it, and why longtime enthusiasts continue to praise it. This knife has legitimately earned its high placement through consistent excellence. Only one knife sits above it as the current undisputed king of survival content on the platform. Number 1. Demco FreeReign, and reigning supreme at number 1. The knife genuinely dominating YouTube survival content in 2026 is the Demco FreeReign. This full-tang fixed blade has become a legitimate phenomenon, with FreeReign Apocalypse Test videos regularly breaking 1 million views within days of upload and spawning countless reaction and follow-up challenge videos. Its 5.5-inch proprietary crucible steel blade with proprietary geometry delivers overwhelming penetration power combined with smooth slicing efficiency that makes every task feel effortless. From defensive perimeter clearing around temporary camps during increased human-wildlife conflicts to processing large game displaced by habitat shifts or crafting complex mechanical aids and medical tools during long-term isolation scenarios. The engineered polymer micarta hybrid handle features intuitive indexing ridges, shock-absorbing flex zones, and strategic texturing that maintain perfect orientation during sudden high-intensity defensive moments or extended carving sessions in freezing rain, high winds, and abrasive dust storms. What makes this knife the undisputed champion of current internet survival content is its rare ability to blend serious defensive readiness with advanced wilderness utility at an elite level, consistently outperforming much more expensive custom knives in head-to-head torture tests, while looking aggressive, purposeful, and highly filmable on camera. We duplicated every major viral challenge this knife has dominated. Multi-week autonomous living exercises with no outside support, human-wildlife encounter simulations, sustained heavy chopping against storm debris and invasive species, precision medical instrument creation from foraged materials, and emergency shelter construction under time pressure. And it exceeded expectations in every single category while maintaining complete user confidence even in the most chaotic and stressful conditions.